Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to upscale an image quality using AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So in this video, we will be learning on how you'll be able to upscale a low quality image like this one into a high quality image like this one on the right side of the screen using AI only. So what we'll be using here is you just need to go to your web browser and go to videoproc.com, wherein they have a new AI tool that you can use when you buy a full license, and you'll be able to easily change the resolution or upscale the resolution of a specific image in just a matter of minutes. So here all you have to do is go to this website, videoproc.com. You can download the free trial for your Windows or your Mac. And here you have the information on what this platform is about, what its features, and how you'll be able to use the videoproc.com application in editing or even in converting your videos, audios, and even DVDs. So let's take a look into the website right here. You can see that they do not offer only with editing, but they actually have a lot of options as well, wherein you can have the video process and other features that they offer. So here what we can do is go to the AI that's then on the top part of the screen, and you'll be able to see that there was an option with super resolution. This is the tool that we will be using so that we'll be able to upscale low quality image using AI. So with the help of AI in this platform, they actually will help you enhance the image quality real time in a matter of seconds. So here is an example. So it actually removes noises in your videos and images. It upscales your crop into high quality image demonstrations, and even processes compressed content for reposting, and it even updates old photos, old DVDs for archiving. So here you actually can have comparisons on what are the benefits or what makes VideoProc at a high edge, or what makes it level up from other competitors. It actually here provides you all the features right here. And you have a lot of options as well, like this one. You'll be able to see how the AI enhances a video or an image. You can toggle on and off the enhanced button right here. If you toggle it on, it automatically switches into a HD quality video, and if you toggle it off, it would actually change into lower resolution image, especially when you zoom in into that image or video. It actually changes the resolution. So once you have that here, you can actually show that on the lower part of the video here. It actually provides you a different comparison on how you'll be able to use AI model for reality videos, for anime, or for other SR models. And you'll be able to see that it does not only offer you one or two features, it actually provides you a lot of features here. So all you have to do is to click on download videoprocconverter.ai, and then it will definitely allow you to use their features. But the thing here is that it actually needs you to buy a full license so that you'll be able to use their new AI tool. But if you want to try it out for free, you can actually use pixelcut.ai. This is actually an upscale image AI tool wherein it is for free. All you have to do is to sign in into your Google account or sign up for your email address, and just fill out all the details, and you can definitely use it for free. When you click on Try Pixelcut, it actually provides you a lot of tools: background remover, recolor, magic eraser, and what we'll be using here is the upscaler. This is the tool that will allow us to upscale an image into a low quality image into a high resolution image. So here all you have to do is to drag and drop the file, and on the left side panel of the screen we need to click on 4 times so that it multiplies the resolution of the image 4 times, so that when you zoom in, it actually will provide you a more detailed quality of the image. So once that's done, you can see that it just took a matter of seconds, and then your image is ready. You just need to click on download, and it will automatically be downloaded into your folder. And once you're done here, we will have a side-by-side comparison on the different image. For example, the original image that we have and the original image that we have, as well as the upscaled image as well. So here you can see that the original image is actually, since it has a low resolution, the image is lowered. So when we zoom it in, it actually will provide us a pixelated and a blurry like image. Comparing it to the left side, wherein this is the one that we upscaled, it actually shows us a more detailed view of the image. You can see clearly the lines of the mountains. You can even clearly see as well the details on the man skiing down the mountain. And as you can see side by side, it actually will show you the difference. So how upscaling an image using AI will definitely help the quality of the image that you have, especially when you crop that specific image and it would be blurry or pixelated sometimes. You can definitely use AI so that it would enhance the resolution and you would end up with a good quality image like what we did earlier. So you have two options here. You can either use pixelcut.ai. You can use it, no need to download this. This actually can be accessed through your web browser and it is for free. All you have to do is go to your web browser, go to pixelcut.ai, and not only that they offer upscaler, they offer a lot of tools as well, like the background remover, the recolor, the magic eraser, and a lot more. So going back to the other features as well, here you can see with the platform for PixelCut, it actually is a very user-friendly. No other tabs, no other tools that you can see on the screen. All you have to do is drag and drop the image and it automatically upscales that for you. And you can see here at their homepage as well, or dashboard, they have offer you, or it shows you the tools that they offer that you can try. So as I mentioned earlier, you can definitely feel free to try videoproc.com, but just to inform you, maybe using the new tool that they have with AI to enhance or create a super resolution with your videos and images, it may cost a few dollars or a monthly subscription so that you'll be able to access the new features that they have. But if you want to try it for fun or just to try out upscaling with AI, you can use PixelCut definitely without any fees attached. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use AI to upscale the image quality. Either use videoproc.com or pixelcut.ai. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!